Cover your face. Come on.
I want to get it out.
Come on. Get your other leg through. I got him. Were there snow monsters back there?
Yeah.
How big was the snow monster?
Big.
Big?
Yeah.
What was he doing back there?
Try to get me.
Trying to get you?
Yeah.
Oh my.
You see he is there?
Do you see him in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I see him. What color were his eyes?
Pete.
Pink?
Yeah.
Pink eyes. He says he had pink eyes. Looks like there's a snow monster in there.
My daddy wish this car.
You're gonna get him with that?
Yeah. You have to go and wish me.
Okay. You alright?
You see he right here?
See him right back here?
Now he eyes are blue.
His eyes are now blue?
Yeah. What? You have to me.
Maybe we should come up with a better game plan.
Yeah.
Let me see that.
What?
What you got there?
This.
This is what I used to clean my grill with, but maybe we can get the snow monster out with this? Oh, he's got pink eyes and now they're blue.